Samsung Galaxy F05 launch in India soon as the smartphone recently appeared on the BIS certification site. And this the first look Galaxy F05. Galaxy F05 will feature some notable changes in terms of design. The Galaxy F05 continues with the dated notch design, but it's slightly different as it's U-shaped. We can see in the Galaxy F05 is the vegan leather back, which will replace the plastic back panel. This should give not only a premium look but a good grip as well. The dual rear cameras are still placed vertically on the top left corner of the phone with the LED flash on the side. The power button and volume keys are placed on the right side. The Galaxy F05 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. It has a MediaTek Helio P35 SoC, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of expandable storage. Galaxy F05 features a 13-megapixel main camera with a 2-megapixel depth sensor and a 5-megapixel selfie snapper. Galaxy F05 backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 15W wired charging. The Galaxy F05 should hopefully improve upon at least some of these specs when it becomes official in the coming weeks. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.